In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Zoho CRM. Dashboards are a great way to see your most important numbers at a glance. So in this walkthrough, we'll go from a blank screen to a fully configured dashboard you can actually use in your day-to-day work. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account and looking at the main navigation bar at the top of the page. From there, click on Analytics. This is the section where Zoho groups all your reports and dashboards, so anytime you want to review or build analytics, this is where you'll start. Once you're in the Analytics area, look to the top left corner and click the Add or Plus icon. A small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Dashboard. This tells Zoho you're creating a new space where multiple charts and visual components will live together. A window will open asking you to name your dashboard and set sharing permissions. Give your dashboard a clear, descriptive name so that you and your team can immediately understand its purpose later. For example, something like Sales Pipeline Overview or Marketing Lead Summary. Next, choose how you want to share it. You can keep it private, share it with specific users, or make it available to certain teams or roles, depending on how your organization is set up. When you're happy with the name and the permissions, click Save. You've now created the shell of your dashboard. With the empty dashboard open, move to the top right corner and click Add Component. Components are the individual charts or visual blocks that make up your dashboard. Zoho will now ask you to choose a data source. You can either select from reports if you already have detailed reports built and want to visualize them here, or you can choose quick charts to create simple charts on the fly directly from your CRM data. Next, configure your component. Start by selecting the module you want to pull data from, such as deals, leads, or contacts. Then pick the chart type that best represents the information you're trying to see, like a bar chart, pie chart, or line chart. After that, choose the fields for the x-axis and y-axis. For example, your x-axis might be deal stages, and your y-axis could be total revenue. When everything looks right in the preview, click Done. Finally, back on the main dashboard layout page, click Save to lock in your changes. Your dashboard is now ready to use and customize further as your needs evolve.